Well, we haven't seen each other for weeks now. We keep meeting like this.
I should probably talk about Jacob.
You really don't need to.
I do. You shouldn't go out with someone your mate likes. It's not right.
So you must be really into him then?
Yeah, I guess.
But?
Nothing.
So where is he now?
He's working at the shop.
And why aren't you keeping him company?
He kind of mugged me off this morning. I think he's losing interest, to be honest.
Well, there's no surprise there. I mean, he lasted longer than me and him. One day after we got together and he was blanking me, so...
So, do you, need any help with my party prep? Promise I won't tell Layla and Tracy.
Aren't you supposed to be seeing Liv later?
Nah. She wanted to do a meal for my birthday.
Remember, Jacob, it's good for us if you see her.
But...
Especially if she's doing something lovely. Don't snub the poor girl.